This one, House Bill 470 deals with restricting gender-affirming medical treatments. Today, parts of the bill were added to Senate Bill 150, which is dubbed the Parental Rights Bill. That deals with educators not being required to use students' preferred pronouns and also requires educators to notify parents on, quote, sexually related matters.
This piece of legislation is an attack on a very small population of people.
Representative Keturah Herron, the first openly queer member of the legislature, was among those who spoke on the House floor against Senate Bill 150. The bill, once thought dead, was revived and combined with House Bill 470.
This is being rushed through and children are going to die.
LGBTQ activists were caught off guard by a surprise hearing for the bill earlier in the day.
It is utterly infuriating, shameful, and embarrassing to be here at the last second as you try to shove this through.
The legislation includes prohibiting gender transition services for anyone under age 18, requiring schools to develop bathroom policies based on biological sex, putting limits on discussions of LGBTQ issues in schools, and requiring schools to notify parents if children receive counseling at school.
Everybody knows what's in this bill, and we've been on this floor debating this on TV that is broadcast to people all over this state.
Supporters of the bill say it ensures parents have a say in their child's education and protects children who are too young to make life-altering decisions.
We've heard testimony from children throughout this process that said they felt like they've been forced into this in some way, whether that's psychologically or mentally forced into it, or maybe their parents chose that for them and it wasn't the right choice.
But opponents fear it will harm already marginalized children.
As far as I can tell, when I read the Bible, he said, go out and love people the way I've loved you.
A lot of passion on the floor tonight. It is the last night of the session before a 2-week veto break. Now, this is a move that many say could put Governor Andy Beshear in a tight spot here in his re-election bid. If he vetoes this bill, his Republican challenger will likely be using that against him in the fall. Jatera McGee, WLWT.